Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. This na fancy random video. How are you guys doing? So guys, today video I'll just go straight to the point. Anyway, before I continue, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, okay, and turn on the notification bell so that you go get update whenever I post a new video. Today video no be here oh. I want tell una everything wey happen for Big Brother Naija has season 6, how the eviction show tell waka. Na be the story wey I carry come today. So guys, the first person wey dey evict comot today na JMK. Her eviction not too shock people sha, because many people predict am say she go house today. The one wey shock people pass, I go tell una hold on. And also I go leave the video make una watch am, but make I sha tell una the one wey happen, because no be everything I go fit play for here. So the second person wey be say the evict comot today na Sammy. Why Queen you dey see as she dey dance so? Dem suppose evict her today, but she was so lucky, as in the girl carry lock for her forehead. They come exchange and na Sammy they come evict comot today. So the girl dey very excited. She dey happy. Her mind dey jolly say at least today she no go hard, because she don almost give up. You know, see for the other video wey be say white money come dey comfort her. In fact, she don give up, say she dey go house today. But we thank God say she still dey safe. So the one wey come shock everybody na be Maria. People no expect Maria eviction today at all. Even she herself no evict, and she herself no expect and say she will go house today. And before they call her name, she don already dey tense. She don dey feel somehow, say say these people feel call her name more. She no just dey settle at all at the end, because this weekend Maria no get herself. She just dey emotionally, she dey cry all through this week. So maybe her body don already dey give her sign say she dey go house, and all her fears come to pass today. So she don comot. And the last speech wey she make today, she say she no expect am. Anyway, we wish her good luck. And Saga on the other hand, na dey show so Ebuka come ask am say whether he want make dem change Big Brother voice to Nini voice, so that he go quit the answer, because he miss a diary section with Big Brother, because of say he dey bed dey cuddle with woman. So my people, when they evict Maria today, Maria no gree hug Perry. He dey vex for the guy. I don't know why she dey vex for the guy o. So but she dey vex for am. So when Perry wan hug am, he no gree hug am. She can't hug the other housemate. But at the end of the day, when Maria comot, Perry come dey cry. White money come dey comfort am. And Liquor Rose on the other hand, as she dey talk so, Ebuka come ask am how her house and how her head of house duty dey go for the house. She shall explain to Ebuka her experience and every other thing wey dey happen so far for the house. How she felt say may her friends assist her when she become head of house, but many of them call they disobey her. So the thing make her come dey cry somehow. Anyway, now wetin happen for today eviction be this. I just say make I give una the hints, the gist, the cocoa wey happen for today eviction. I go leave una make una watch the video. Enjoy it guys. Kindly subscribe if you've not subscribed, and turn on your notification bell. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. See you guys. Bye.
Please seat yourself. Please leave the Big Brother house.
Ale hanno fatto